you in the video?
Hello.
Hey, Izzy, siéntate. Are you doing a POV of this? Siéntate.
Wow, that's amazing.
$6. It's their Christmas sale.
Here we go, Jason. The Zamperla Rock N Tug. Wait, was I supposed to leave my bag off inside?
I didn't. Did you?
No, I kept mine on.
Yeah, look, mine's right here. It's a coaster credit, technically.
Yeah, coaster credit number 263.
Number 201. This technically could be considered a credit. I'm gonna count it. Should I count it?
I don't know. I don't care.
I think people would get angry. Dude, this thing spins a lot.
This is a very intense spinning coaster.
It's a very good spinning coaster. No, the train's leaving. Look how good of a shot that would be.
Well, that shot can be yours when the train comes back.
Alright, I'm gonna get it. We should look at the animals first then.
Alright, good plan. Espera. Listen, she's gonna give us instructions.
What's up, Mike?
How do we get out? There we go.
Mike, you don't know how to get out? Didn't you operate one of these?
No, I didn't operate a Rockin Tug at Great Adventures.
You didn't operate our own?
No, we never had a Rockin. Oh wait, no, we had Tango.